Hello students, today I am going to discuss Koray-Bakshi-Shibata reduction. It is abbreviated as CBS reduction. So if you see what is this Koray-Bakshi-Shibata reduction, it is an enantioselective reduction of prochiral ketones using chiral reducing agent. Here CBS catalyst, that is a complex of oxaborolidine borane, will be used as chiral reducing agent, and this is the structure of CBS catalyst. This CBS catalyst is available in two pure enantiomeric form, that is RCBS and SCBS. So by using this CBS catalyst, we can carry out enantioselective reduction of prochiral ketones to secondary alcohol, that is chiral. The secondary alcohols will be formed in non-racemic mixture. So here we are going to get non-racemic mixture of secondary chiral alcohol. So this is known as Koray-Bakshi-Shibata reduction. In order to decide which enantiomeric form of chiral alcohol will be formed as a major product in the CBS reduction, we need to know two things, that is which enantiomeric form of CBS catalyst we are going to use in the reaction, and to which phase of prochiral ketone that hydride has been transferred. So if we know those two things, then we can decide which enantiomeric form of chiral alcohol has been formed as a major product. So here I have taken example of psi phase of prochiral ketone. So how this psi phase has been designated for this prochiral ketone is by applying CIP rule, that is by assigning priorities. Here, in order to assign psi or re phase for a prochiral ketone, carbonyl oxygen will take first priority. Then we need to choose a larger substituent and smaller substituent attached to this carbonyl group. In this case, larger substituent is in the left side and smaller substituent in the right side. So after assigning priorities, so first priority will be given to carbonyl oxygen, larger substituent will take second priority, and smaller substituent will take third priority. And this priority will follow anti-clockwise direction. Hence, this prochiral ketone having larger substituent on left side and smaller substituent on right side will have psi phase. So if this psi phase of prochiral ketone, if it undergoes CBS reduction in presence of SCBS catalyst, then we are going to get R isomer of chiral alcohol, and here you can see hydride will be transferred from front side. Suppose if we take psi phase of prochiral ketone and if it undergoes CBS reduction in presence of RCBS catalyst, then we are going to get S isomer of chiral alcohol as a major product, and here you can see hydride will be transferred from rear side. So this is overall generalization of CBS reduction. So here you can remember through a mnemonic, that is if we are using SCBS, then psi phase will give R alcohol. So this is the mnemonic we can remember for this CBS reduction. That is, if we use SCBS catalyst, prochiral ketone with psi phase, it is going to give R alcohol as a major product. Just reversing of this configuration will give you the major product in the case of RCBS, that is RCBS psi phase will give S. Now we will see in case of rephase hydride transfer. So here is the general reaction. So here the prochiral ketone is having rephase. That is, here you can see the larger substituent is on the right side and smaller substituent is on the left side. If I assign the priority will follow clockwise direction. So hence this prochiral ketone, this unsymmetrical ketone, is going to have rephase. Prochiral ketone is having rephase, then SCBS catalyst is going to transfer hydride from backside. And here the major isomer of chiral alcohol formed is S isomer. Similarly, if we take rephase of prochiral ketone and if it undergoes reduction, CBS reduction in presence of RCBS catalyst, here hydride will be transferred from front side, and here the major product will be R isomer. And if you see how this hydride will be transferred to the prochiral ketone is as follows. If we are taking SCBS catalyst, it is a complex of oxaborolidine borane complex. This is an active chiral reducing agent. If it is undergoing reaction with this prochiral ketone which is having psi phase, then it is going to form a 6-membered chair-like transition state. How it is going to form this 6-membered cyclic transition state is by coordination of this ketone oxygen with boron of oxaborolidine. And here you can see this hydride will be transferred from the front side. Hence, this will lead to the formation of a chiral alcohol having R configuration. Since we are using SCBS catalyst and phase of the ketone is psi phase, so hydride will be transferred from the front side, which leads to the formation of R isomer, which is a major product. Since this SCBS catalyst is choosing one of the isomer, hence it is an enantioselective selective reduction. This is regarding CBS reduction. Thank you.